Hey everybody, how are you? Okay, I'm coming on because I want to let you know of a couple things that I'm going to be doing for fall as far as the fall DIY. Okay, you guys, we are going to be making pumpkins from Dollar Tree, pumpkins that you buy. And if you don't have a Dollar Tree around you, I'm going to show you an alternative way to make them, and they look just the same, no different. You guys, you are going to love these. I fell in love when I saw these. You're going to love them too. This is something that's coming up very soon. It's another pumpkin DIY with fabric. And it's not the typical stuffed pumpkins in the traditional way. I have a video on that I did last year if you want to go look at it. These are a little bit different, but they are so cute. So we're going to be doing that as well. And then I think I'm going to be doing another, like I did the fairy lights for the pumpkin, where I put the crow on top. Only I'm going to do a spin on it and personalize it for fall. And it might, I'm not sure yet. I'm going to wait and just surprise you with it. But I will do these this coming week. So if you want to make any of it, you can before we get ready to start for Christmas. So guys, I just wanted to come on with that to let you know that there are going to be a few DIYs coming up for fall, and then I'm going right into Christmas DIYs. Because guys, we only have a couple months left. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we really got to get going on this. So anyway, I just want to come on and tell you that, and I want to tell you, you are cared for. And the world is a better place because you're in it. Don't you ever, ever forget that. I don't care what anybody ever says. Don't you forget it. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.